Hello. Hi guys. So, share lang ako akong gamay nga journey kay exciting kaayo. Exciting kay nga no, mura ko kulira. I supposed to fly this December. I have a visa going to Dubai. And then I cancel it because I'm crazy. I changed my mind. I said, I wanna do the real estate career because I've been thinking this a lot of time already. Dati pa, katong napa ko sa Dubai, I'm always thinking about to learn about real estate business. Kay ganahan